My channel. Today I want to give you an update on Open AI integration with both ProductReview.Tools and Linkilo. Currently, I've been just focusing on ProductReview.Tools with the Open API integration because it's a lot easier to integrate this concept that I wanted to implement with this affiliate product WordPress plugin tool versus Linkilo, where it needs to extract multiple keyword variations and things like that. So it's a lot of more complex with integrating AI versus here, where I could just say, give me one keyword, one product to showcase in this article the best product in this article. So this is ProductReview.Tools. If you haven't reviewed my product before, this is a affiliate product WordPress plugin where all you need is a short code, and it just generates product box, table, things like that. So different style of product box, and you can also create tables. But one thing that I wanted to integrate with OpenAI is to be able to identify the core products that an article should promote, right? So here's the product review, and all you need is Open API key, and then this is the default prompt. You can create your own and try to test out the prompt that you want to kind of experiment with. And then you'll be able to design or set where the first Amazon product box, the grid, I'll show you in a second how that works, where you want that placed automatically. You can also enable title, the amount of characters, thumbnail, the image of the product, pricing, button. You can also add the pricing here with the button. If it's empty, if there's no product showcase, this is by default hide notice, because you don't want no products found if the Open API doesn't really provide that product correctly. So you could just hide that so it doesn't get caught off guard for your readers. So this is the the box review. It comes 3 of the best top. So this is the keyword MacBook, and then this is the top results for Amazon, right? So bunch of articles, right? And here is an example of how it shows. So this is how storing your shaving soap affects your grooming experience, and here's a bunch of soaps, and then up here put additional right here, box 1 and box 2. So wherever you want to put this, and then this is going to be after all of the content is shown. So how that works is you could click on a specific link, and then it just generates the product. And then here is the keyword that generated shaving soap. So over here, shaving soap is the keyword, and shows the keyword or the products. Over here, what I would do is I would just go Provazo. If that's the top one, you could replace it. Oh, maybe. If that's the go-to one that you're recommending, now it's generating Provazo shaving soap. Boom. And then here, more variation. So this is either it could be AI generated by using your own open API key, and then it'll identify the best keyword slash product. Again, the prompt here: review the title and identify one primary product. So this is how the prompt goes. If you want to play around with your own prompt, then you'll be able to change it, vice and so forth. So with this idea, I want to bring it to Linkilo. Currently, we're able to extract the keyword within the title because we don't want to have ChatGPT or OpenAI go through the whole article and then identify all the keywords, because that's going to take a long time to do. So we're still playing around with what should an open AI do for you versus you doing it yourself. And that's where it's for us, it's taking a long time to identify that these concepts, so it doesn't take long to get you the result, but also it doesn't take up a lot of resource. So so the idea here is, once you click on it at the very beginning, once you turn on, enter the open API and click on a specific link, it took a little bit long time to kind of do it, but now if you refresh, it's not taking too long now. So the very first time that you ever click after you generate the keyword, it's gonna have that delay. So shaving in the shower versus sink. So if I go back here, it doesn't take too long. So if no one has ever went to no, we already went to that article here. So I click on that. Oh no, we already went to that article. What first? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 seconds for OpenAI to generate a keyword for this article, and then it populates. But now, once it's done, it doesn't have to do it again unless you go to edit post and remove the keyword. So if you remove the keyword and click update, now go back to the article. It's going to take a while for it to generate again. So 7 seconds, and then it'll generate another keyword, right? So here you have a girl shaving. If you are guy shaving site, then you'll just do men's shaving, wet shaving, or dry shaving. So again, you could also design the whole thing to however you want. Enable icon, so you could do Amazon right here. Click save change. So now we could go back, and that's how it looks like. Enable shadow, radius, padding, icon size, title, text color, so forth. Border, if you want some border. If you So this is the idea behind the beginning of how we're gonna integrate OpenAI with API. The OpenAI it's not free, but you're looking at sub pennies. So if you have like 500 articles, you're gonna be maybe spending $1 or 50 cents or something, or things like that. It's not gonna be like $20 or $50 for to use OpenAI to understand your article and generate you that the product. If you do it, if you remove the keyword and then regenerate a million times, then yeah, you accumulate it. But now you have this power where it generates once, and you don't have to use OpenAPI anymore. You could customize it again if you want by going to edit and putting in your own keyword. So once I do that, men's shaving kit is different than razors. So now I have a better product recommendation compared to what OpenAI suggested. But that's the if you want to if you don't want to spend too much time on trying to understand the best product, OpenAI is going to help you. So I hope you had a good time here with this product. Linkilo is still in development. We're still playing around with it. We're still trying to figure out the best way to kind of without hindering the performance, right? So stay tuned with Linkilo's update on AI integration. And if you have any questions, let me know.